Namaste, sir. How are you?
Hey, good. How are you?
I'm fine. So, did you just see all the Periscope?
Yeah, I've seen it's like a wonderful. I enjoyed a lot with the activities which kids played and all. It's really useful for you type of kids to grow in the future. Like technologies they are using some sensor. There is someone using some satellite system. Someone is saying about the solar system and all, right?
Absolutely right.
Yes, and
Did you like the way they presented to you, or like the parents?
absolutely right. As a kids, really, this is they are explaining like you can say like that's exemplary for other kids who are miss this activities.
Okay. So, did you like this Periscope?
Sure, 100% I like this. That's true.
Okay. So, I'm going to give a rapid round question.
Yeah.
Like answer in one word. So, what is your best memory this year?
My memory is my kids activity which he did in AI.
The best of this whole year with your family?
With my family is we visited the one of the Nehru Planetarium.
Oh, really? That sounds fun. So, thank you for spending your valuable time. Thank you.
Thank you.